Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to delete profile on X. So before deleting your X profile, you may want to have a copy of your X data, and actually you can request and download an archive of your X data. So if you want that, now I will show you how you can do that. You want to tap your profile picture in the top left. Now let's scroll down to settings and privacy. In your settings, go to section your account at the top, and finally let's select the download and archive of your data. So now you want to sign into your X account, and after this, X will prepare a large zip file for you, which will include all your X activity. So that will be your posts, messages, your media, basically everything. And now let me show you how to delete your profile. So you want to make sure that you're in the section your account in your settings, and now select option deactivate your account. On your screen you have some information provided by X, which explains what happens to your account. And now at the bottom, tap this red deactivate button, and then you'll have to enter your X password to confirm the action that you really want to do it, and after this your X account will be deactivated. But if you log back into your X account during the 30 days after the deactivation, your account will be automatically reactivated and the deactivation process will be cancelled. Again, after 30 days of no login activity, X will permanently delete your account and all the data associated with it. So that's how you can delete your profile on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.